It's your boy Zay. If you don't take that day, then you ain't part of that gang, man. Whoa, now. So check it, man. You know I got on the same clothes for like the next 3, 4, 5 videos. Cause I'm shooting all these videos in one day, man.
Mommy, what's that smell?
That's the plants from outside.
They smell stink.
I know, it do stink.
Cause I thought it was you.
Stop fucking playing with me. Get the fuck out.
I'm trying to put a little pedal to the metal, man. Get the grind started and keep it rolling. You know, keep pumping out that good content back to back to back to back. So, yeah, this is gonna be another video, man, for you guys. The unboxing of. See if y'all guys know something about that company there. Yeah, I'm unboxing a plate carrier. Not just any plate carrier. Safe Life Defense plate carrier. Where my car keys go? Get up in the car. Man, get up in this box. Let's see what they got going on in here. Box. Boom. Boom. Other side. You alright up there, Dada? My son. Out the way. This paperwork out the way, so that don't be up in here. I'm gonna give you guys an overview. So check it out, man. Okay. Tactical plate carrier. Look like quality, man. You could be my storm, I can be your weather. I give up sunny days just to rain with you, but you mad at me. Safe Life Defense. Plate carrier. Plate carrier. Overview of plate carrier. The back there. The Molly webbing on the back. Front. What is the back? Back there. To the front. Here. Liking it. Do a test fit. I have to wait till my rocks don't get caught up in the Velcro. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I got some plates that I'm about to put in here also. I'll show you guys how I look at the plates in. Yeah. Like this. So I'm gonna get back to
trying to make you my little boo, babe. You scared to love, your heart fucked up and I don't know why. You hide your feelings, you think I'ma treat you just like those guys. But I won't love, you won't love, I wanna see you smile. I wanna hold your hand, I wanna be there while we run the distance of this space between me and you. They say I hurt to love, let me hurt for you. Cause I won't love, I wanna last forever. You could be my storm, I can be your weather. I give up sunny days just to rain with you. But you mad at me, cause I'm digging you. Don't wanna get even, please believe in the faith I got in you. I know he hurt you, baby girl, let me take that hurt away from you.